Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add money to Uber wallet. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Uber app, and then you need to click on account in the right bottom corner, and then you need to click on wallet and click on add funds, and here you have two options, one time purchase and the second is auto refill. Click on one time purchase, and here you have three different options, or you can click on payment method in the bottom and click on add payment method, and here you have two options, credit or debit card and easy pesa. So select the first one and add your card details. After that, you simply need to select the amount and click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, money will be added into your Uber wallet. So this is a process by which you can add money to your Uber wallet. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.